Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading with another Saint Valentine's heart earrings tutorial. This one is made with 3 sizes of beads, the most common 3 sizes used in beading. These are 11 ounce, 8 ounce and 6 ounce. I will show you this one really easy step by step, so I'm sure by the end of this tutorial you will be able to make it by yourself. If you don't have the 3 sizes, maybe you have only 11 ounce and 8 ounce, then go to this tutorial that I'm linking to here. It's really easy again and you will make really beautiful stuff with them. But those of you that have 6 ounce, we will continue here with you. If you want to support me, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action, and I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Down there in description you could find full list of materials, a link to my store and a link for PayPal donations to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I need for this video are 3 sizes of beads, 11/0, 8/0 and 6/0. And here I need ear wires, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice. And here I use size 10 beading needle and scissors. And now I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay. And I have now half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to take 4 of these beautiful beads. Okay, I have them here on my needle, and I'm going to slide them down, stick my needle in my mat, and here I will make a knot. And I'm making a knot by making something like a loop and going once, twice and even 3 times through this loop I've made. And then I'm pulling, and you could do one more additional knot just to be sure that everything is nice and tight. Okay, then I will go here through the following bead like this. Now what I do is that I take 1 8/0. These were 6/0s and now I'm taking the 8/0s. Okay, I'm going through the following bead here, taking one more 8/0, going here through the following, turning this around and take one more 8/0, and one more like this. Okay, now in my next step what I'm going to do is take 3 6/0s again, and as I'm exiting from this bead here I'm going back in circle through the same one and pulling, and now I will go one more time around those beads like that. Okay, now I'm exiting here through this bead, and I will repeat what I did here. Okay, I will take 3 6/0s and I will go back in circle through this one just like that. And what I want to do is reinforce my work. Okay, go like this and go one more time. Here is what I did. I reinforced my work. Now I want to exit. I will skip this one here. I won't add 3 beads and I will exit from this side. Okay, you see, now I'm here, and what I want to take are 3 more beads. In my first step I added 4, and in these steps I'm adding 3 because when I include this one I have a total of 4 again. And this is called right angle weave technique. And now I'm going here in my next bead. I'm just reinforcing my work. And my goal is to exit here out of this bead. Now guys, what I want to do is the familiar step, take 3 6/0. Okay, I have them here. And I'm going back in circle through this one, like this. Now I'm reinforcing. Okay. Then what I need to do is go here in my middle bead again, in my middle right angle weave, and I will exit at this side. And here I will repeat what I did here. Okay, I will make a symmetrical shape this way. Okay, I'm taking 3 beads and I'm going back in circle through this, and then I will go around like this, reinforcing this shape here. Okay, and now I have this. Well, this shape still doesn't look like exactly like a heart, but now I'm going to do this, and I will add now 2 of these beautiful seed beads. These are 11/0, and I'm going through here. Then I want to take 2 more. Okay, adding them like that. Then I'm going to take 1, this is size 8/0, and I will go here through this middle bead like this. Then I'm taking 1 more, which is size 8/0, and I'm going here. You see what I have, and I will take 2 more, go here, I will repeat what I did here, take 2 more, go here, one 8/0, go here like this, 1 11/0, go here, 1 8/0, skip this part, okay, then here 1 8/0, just 1 11/0, and then at the end 1 8/0. Don't forget that I have a similar heart with only two sizes of beads, 8/0 and 11/0, and I have it linked here. Okay, now I'm going here through these two beads again. If you feel like it, you could go reinforce your heart one more time, but now I'm going to add my ear wire, and I will add it by taking one seed bead, my ear wire, and then one more seed bead, 11/0, okay, like this. And as I'm exiting from this bead, I'm going back in circle here through the same one and pull, and now this is what I have. And I'm going around like this, reinforcing my work. And then what I need to do is make a knot and cut my thread, and I will choose a place, let's say here inside my heart, make a loop, go once, go second time here and pull. Then I will go through my following bead, and you could continue making more and more knots if you want. And when you do your final knot, go through the following seed bead and cut your thread. Never cut next to a knot. Okay, so now this is what I have. My heart is ready. Okay guys, and when I repeat all of those steps one more time, this is what I have. My heart-shaped beaded earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when I release absolutely free new videos for fresh beading ideas. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action, and I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Down there in description you will find a full list of materials, a link to my store, and a link to a PayPal for donations to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from